Dakota Gas hit a milestone at the beginning of July when its first shipment of beverage-grade carbon dioxide was shipped. The ability to capture and sell liquid CO2 was made possible with the addition of the urea plant, and excess CO2 is now being sold into the commercial food and beverage industry. The first load was about 20 tons.
Basically, all these water treatment plants around North Dakota haven't had CO2 to balance the pH in the water. So if the water gets too acidic, it corrodes pipes. You have less water for people. It takes more filtering, those kind of things. So basically, all these treatment plants have to kind of rear back a little bit. Can't purify enough water, so the CO2 helps with that aspect, among other things, but that's kind of the main driver. We sell to a distributor, and they go around to, like the city of Bismarck, city of Mandan, Minot, Fargo, Williston, Watford City, I mean, all around the communities in North Dakota. So it's a pretty cool network that we're reaching, and then there's also some rural communities that had to purchase from some of the larger ones too, to be able to get a supply. So it was running pretty low for a while, and so I think we got going just in time, and it's just kind of a testament to the plant and all the people from operations, maintenance, the lab, security, logistics, just kind of a whole group effort to get everything going.
The centralized location of the Great Plains Synfuels Plant in North Dakota is helpful as well.
So now, basically, we could have a customer that picks up at our plant, does a run in Williston, comes back the other way, does a drop off in Jamestown. So, being at the center of that hub, in Billings and then Minnesota, those are also the next closest points. So, going to and from, and not having such a big distance in between really makes it a better cost or better price for the local customer, and just a more efficient driving for a lot of those truckers, because you have to worry about hours of service and those kind of things. And when you're in the summer and you need drinking water for communities, it's a pretty important thing.
Dakota Gas will now likely supply over 80% of North Dakota's water treatment plants with the CO2 they need to treat water for their citizens.